They are in a place called Hamlin Pool, near Shark Bay. This spot is famous because the water there is very salty and not many animals can live in it. That's good for stromatolites because it keeps them safe to grow slowly, layer by layer. That's what stromatolites are. Rock layers made by life. So if you ever go to Western Australia, visit Hamlin Pool. See the stromatolites and imagine the Earth billions of years ago. That's what stromatolites are. Rock layers made by life. And imagine the Earth billions of years ago.